Hi girlies and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we're gonna reference back to my last video when I said I didn't have anything planned for New Year's, and that's why you didn't get a New Year's video. But I feel, in my mind, because I wanted New Year's to be myself, I wanted it to be a personal thing to really sort myself in my mind and what I want to do this year out, I feel I've come up with a fantastic video. So this is gonna be a 2-for-1 video, actually. I'm gonna be doing, I don't know if it's an actual challenge, I just saw it. It was a New Year look back questionnaire type of thing, as well as this new TikTok thing. I know, all of my videos are from TikTok. I'm on it so much. But the idea was that you create a bingo card for your goals and aspirations that you want to accomplish this year. It came from a user, I believe her, Erin L. Jones. I will link her, she's right here. She gives a full depth and she did a whole video on how to do it, just step by step, incredibly helpful. Definitely should go check her out. The idea to make it a game was just so genius, because most of us lose interest in our goals that we say we're gonna do, but if we had a little system to it, I feel we'd accomplish more. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Not only will I be answering the questions, you will get to see me create my bingo card. But before we get into that video, I'm going to need you to like and subscribe for more and comment some of your goals and aspirations that you want to accomplish this year. But without further ado, let's go. Okay, so I have my laptop in front of me and we are going to be using Canva today. I am a big fan of Canva. This sounds so sponsored. It's not. I just genuinely love Canva. Honestly, it's a great app. I've been thinking about getting the premium versions because trying to work around it is becoming difficult and I just want the cool stuff. Okay, so I already pre-made my bingo card because the ones they had was giving Christmas. So I made it green because I'm in my Scully era of music and obviously it would be green. 25 spots. I have 10 questions. That's 2.5 questions per, there's 2.5 affirmations per question. We'll just do 3 per question. We're gonna start with the question. What did you do last year that you've never done before? I acquired my own apartment by myself. I don't give myself enough props. That was a really hard thing to do. I worked so hard to save up the money. It almost didn't happen. I was having nervous breakdowns every week, stressed out. But now I have my own space and I'm actually very, very proud of myself for that. Now we get to do 3 affirmations. Things I want to accomplish this year. I want to release, not me not knowing how to spell. Jesus, this is embarrassing. I want to release 1 song a month. Do 2 more music videos. Travel to Cali, because my friends have moved out there and I want to visit them. Okay, question. What was last year's New Year's resolution? How did you do? I actually stopped doing New Year's resolutions a couple years ago because I have a bad habit of not doing them. But I'm pretty sure it was something really generic, like go to the gym more. That membership sat unused for months. But I'm pretty sure I said something about more music. It was really stressful. I was just working constantly. I didn't have time to do any music. All of my equipment was in storage. I really need to do my music because I literally was like, please, if you let me get this apartment, I swear I'll do my best in music. I have to cash that check now. So universe, please don't smite me. I swear I'm still trying. Okay, 3 more. Wow, this is flying. God, what do I want to do? Be happy. Me and my sister want to go on a cruise this year, so go on a cruise. Be more outgoing. Okay, I just wanted to update. I changed one of the bingo card things and it went from be more outgoing into get back into acting because I just felt like it was too broad. Just an update, just let you know. I have the funniest habit of being incredibly shy while being an artist, especially at artist events. I'm gonna try to go to more this year, so if you see me at them and I'm on the wall freaking out, please come up and talk to me. I promise you, I'm nice. I'm really chill and stuff. I'm not antisocial. I'm just was sheltered. I don't know how to socialize well, so I'm trying to come out of my shell. So if you see me in public, please come up to me and say hi. I'm very bad at not being the first person to say hi. I want these to be more specific. So the next 3 are gonna be like super specific. Next question. What would you like to have accomplished last year that you didn't get to do? I think I already answered it. I wanted to do more music and art, but I couldn't because I was working to save for an apartment. I did Inktober and I did a lot of pieces I was actually very proud of. And they did pretty well socially, like I posted them and they got traction. But I really don't care about traction anymore. I used to be really sad about it, but I don't. Okay, next 3. Drop a album. Do a collab. No, bitch, it's a collab. It's not collar. God. Get over yourself. Get to 1K on YouTube. And TikTok. Guys, please help me. I'm trying to type not bad. I have a thing that I'm doing right now where I'm trying to get to 1,000 on TikTok so I can do live streams on there because that's the amount they require you to have. Also, YouTube. I've had it for so long and I stopped caring about subscribers really. I just wanted to do videos. But I'm going to go all out this year and really try. Perform at a venue. Yeah, I haven't performed in public yet. That's what I wanted to say, not perform at a venue, perform public. Okay, number 4, what is your biggest achievement of the year? I assume they meant last year. My apartment. These are gonna have the same answers. It really was my biggest achievement of last year. Actually, yeah. My biggest achievement was acquiring my place of residence and being able to stay in it. Because rent is insane right now. But yeah. Okay, back to this. God, it seems like I have more questions. Oh my gosh. Redo wardrobe. I need a new wardrobe. Since you don't want to fit in his bother me closet. Get driver's license. Guys, please. I know how to spell, I just don't know how to do it well. That is something I've been trying to do for a very long time. Driving's so scary. Get car. I want a Beetle. I want a Volkswagen Beetle. I want a small car that's super cute. Paint more. No, that's so general. Paint once a month. Study your Korean. I just now started being able to follow sentences in Korean because I've been practicing for so long, and then I won't touch it for like months, and then it'll pick up again, and I'm like, yeah, I can follow along in most sentences. Will I be able to reply? No, but I know what you're saying. I feel like my accent's it comes through. What was the best thing you bought? I assume last year. I bought an Apple Pencil and it was super cool because I was able to do digital art. I really dived into digital art last year. Oh, I have so many. When you really think about things you want to accomplish, it's kind of hard. Double streams on Spotify. I have like one song up and it's Zombie Brains, which is my baby. And everyone seems to enjoy the song. I really enjoy it. I loved making it and the process was so fun, but I want to post more. Get back into dance. Go to Cali. Travel more. Increase. These are gonna be so, I'm so sorry. Flexibility. These are getting hard to answer. It's hard to think ahead that far. Like, what do you want to do this year? Stay alive. We're gonna answer a few questions because I only have 5 spots left. Did you travel anywhere memorable? No, because I was working all the time. But I have traveled places this year that was pretty cool. I've been in New York more times this month than my entire life because I've been trying to branch out more. I want to go to Atlanta again, but that was the year before. I went to Atlanta. I went to Kanye's, what was it? Donda release party in Atlanta that he did, the first one. And that was super cool because that was the first time in Atlanta. That was my first big concert. If you could look back on one memory this year and relive it, what would it be? I don't think y'all understand how much I worked. I didn't do anything last year. I mean, I went to artist parties. Down to these last 5. Clear all debts. Because I have school debts that I need to get rid of. Consistent book club. The sun is currently setting because it's winter and it sets at like 4 o'clock. I'm trying to lean back so you don't see it. Weekly YouTube fits. got to stick to this YouTube schedule this year. Detailed. Every week, what's happening. And then for some reason, I'll talk myself out of the video. I'm like, it's not that good. It's not that funny. Okay, last two, we're going to answer the last question. Share something you're looking forward to this year. I'm looking forward to being out there. I just want to be in the world. I want to stop being so scared and shy of possibilities. So I don't want to do that this year. I want to just go with the flow. I don't want to think too hard. Gotta make a plan to do things. And that's okay, but at some point you have to like go with the flow. I'm actually gonna put that on the board. Make more music friends. Okay, last one. Make it on a blog in a good manner. Bad press is not good press in my eyes. You really have to be specific when you manifest. Okay, so this is my completed bingo card. Boom. I'm probably gonna print this off so I can physically see it instead of just leaving it on my computer to possibly get forgotten. But okay, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my kind of tutorial on how to do it, as well as answering all the questions from last year, because I definitely did do a New Year's video, but I feel far more prepared for this year with the slow start that I did. If you did like it, be sure to like and subscribe and comment any of your affirmations, your goals, your stuff. Communication. Like I said, if you're a musician or any type of artist, physical, design, digital, anything, comment or follow me on my stuff. I'm always looking for mutuals to hang out with and get brunch, get lunch. We don't even have to collab. I just want more friends that do artsy things. If you didn't know, I have a music video coming out Friday. It's called Suffocating. So be sure to keep a lookout for that. You can follow my other music channel. I post vlogs on there. You will see the behind the scenes of this video on there as well as daily things that, I just like talking. But yeah, the sun is starting to bother me and I can't take it anymore. So I will see you next week. Bye.